Hey y'all, I just wanted to share something with y'all real quick, and real quick also, welcome to my channel, Nugget Shooterette Expeditions, if you're new and your first time watching my videos. But I just thought I'd share something with y'all real quick. I've been house cleaning all day and getting a video up. I got a video up today too, but I figured I'd just spur the moment thought to share this with y'all. If you ever have leftover barbecue, you know, you just get tired of barbecue sandwiches and stuff. Well, basically I have leftover barbecue that we had in the fridge. So I took a layer of tortilla chips and put it in a cast iron skillet. And then I put a layer of meat and a layer of cheese. And then I put another layer of tortilla chips and some more barbecue meat and more cheese. And I used almost a full bag of tortilla chips, and of course just use as much cheese as you like or meat. And what I'm going to do is put this in the oven at 375 until the cheese is all melted, and then I'm going to take it out and put toppings on it that we like, and of course you can put toppings of your choice. But when it's done, I'll show you what it looks like, and it should be quite tasty. I just thought it would be a good idea to share this with y'all real quick. So I'm not really dressed for filming myself, because like I said, I've been doing housework all day. It's hot, so you just won't be seeing my face today. But yeah, we'll put this in the oven at 375 until it's all melted, and put some toppings on it of our choice, and get back with y'all. Okay y'all, I took out the stuff from the oven. So I had put it on 375, 350 or 375, just you know, get your meat heated, or you can heat your meat up before and put it and melt the cheese. So 5 to 10 minutes, just whatever. It depends on how cold your meat is. But as you can see, I added toppings of sour cream, some avocado, some garden fresh tomatoes from my tomato plants, some jalapeno, and I would have added some sliced black olives, but I'm out. And I also added some red onion. So that's the toppings I choose, and this looks delicious. So I just thought I'd share that with you real quick, and hope you enjoy if you try it out. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you enjoy these videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.